welcome on my YouTube channel. So, dear friends, I received just now an inquiry from an old medium format camera PRAKTISIX. So, I looked in my warehouse if I have such a type on the stock. And yes, I have 1, 2, 3 PRAKTISIX and one PRAKTISIX II and one PRAKTISIX IIA and also one PENTACON 6TL. PRAKTISIX, as you should know, is the previous model of PENTACON 6, introduced in 1956. So about 68 years ago, 56, so 70, 66, 70, 80, 90, 2006, 2016, 2026. So introduced about 68 years ago and produced since 1957 up to 1964, if I remember it correctly. I put on each of this camera my internal number 179225, 226, 7, 8, 9 and 179230. All of them are for sale and you can find them later on my website Angelicaaudio CZ on the page photo camera. They were, all of them were in my warehouse about maybe 10 years, but they were sure not used 20, 30, maybe 40 years. So I don't like to test the inside mechanic because it should sure be controlled by a technique in service anywhere, but I must say they look really not bad, and two of them, maybe this one and this one, maybe they can be not used ones, maybe there are also documents, guarantee lists in the boxes. So I will make a lot of detailed photos and see the detailed photos. In this box are also some documents in the bottom. So let's see on the photos how they look like from the detailed photos. And if you like my videos, you can also join my channel. YouTube approved the membership on my YouTube channel, and if you click on the join, you can read everything, you receive some perks, and important is that as a member you can see the videos as a members first. So if I sell something interesting, the members will know it before other. So once more, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel, and see the detailed photos and see the detailed offer on my website Angelicaaudio CZ on the page photo camera.